Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's burger video update for Monday 18th of July. Alright, so yesterday I talked about this particular bear flag that has not been broken just yet, but we've seen Bitcoin being so bullish at the moment, and it might cause burger to pump again. Who knows, okay? It could pump once again, but the thing is that you have to still follow a particular pattern, and this is that's sort of like bear flag that we've broken out of. So is the retest gonna be successful? Because listen, if you do come up for burger, hear me very carefully, and you start to cross this level, which is gonna be 2.166, and you hold 2.166 like a boss, you just destroyed the bear flag. Okay, and when you destroy the bear flag, then the chances are you're really gonna start to push higher and maybe probably go back to this level right over here, and who knows, we could start to make the left shoulder the head, and if you do try to come up here again, you might be putting in the right shoulder and the big whooping head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. Do you understand my point there? Okay, and this one being your neckline right somewhere over here, but I highly doubt if burger is going to do that, because as far as the current situation really is, you go step by step, and that's going to be here. So what's the chances of burger breaking this level? There are some chances of breaking that level, and the only reason is going to be because of what Bitcoin is doing right now. So if Bitcoin can drag burger to the upside, damn, when you say burger I feel hungry, man, what the hell. So when burger, again hungry, when burger actually comes up and break this level, can move higher. So there's this thing that I've even talked about on Luna Classic update, that you have your favorite altcoins here, right? And then you have your Bitcoin, and then you have your DXY. So why did I make this? When the DXY, this is related to stocks and Forex and whatever, when the dollar is starting to make its movements, maybe the dollar gets bearish, the Bitcoin gets bullish and moves to the upside. So when Bitcoin gets bullish, it can actually cause the altcoin with the bearish pattern to move up as well. Okay, and that's the only reason why it can move up. But still, pattern is pattern. It's a bearish pattern. You didn't break it. If you break it, well and good. You gotta flip the switch, because I like to say this: the market is just like the river stream. Okay, so whichever tides, which never go against the wave of the river or the sea or the ocean, whatever you want to put. So because if you start to swim on the opposite side of the wave, you're going to be killed. Okay, so if it flips the switch, you flip the switch. If the wave goes to the north, just move to the north and ignore the south. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.